Do you feel like one in many in a crowded field? Are you making the most of one of the most effective ways to get the attention of attorneys? We're talking about LinkedIn. Do you know how to best fill out your headline and summary? Are you taking advantage of the best wording for your profile? Does your profile have keywords that will help attorneys find you? Do you know how to most efficiently locate your ideal clients? The LinkedIn Planner for LNCs takes you step by step through the process of how to get attention on LinkedIn, the largest online business network. From how to best describe yourself to how to post high-quality content, the planner is tailored to your needs as a legal nurse consultant. And you'll get so much more. Get your copy instantly through a digital download at this link, http://lnc.tips/LP. That link again is http://lnc.tips/LP. You'll be able to start right away on polishing your LinkedIn profile.